Tugabana sigala tina nago mutwaro bukuberemu shobugula kibiyite basi baparafini ya kiba tukikola wakwagala sigama tina nnyo wabula tugabana ona abayimbi abato tubasaba namwe mujje abayimbi abato abali wano mujje tugabane abayimbi abali kodinze rero. You come here, we also share. This is not about our neighbors, but also the young child is there. You need also to have something. N'abayimbi nabo abayimbi abato nabo bayita mu buzibu bw'essente era nammwe mujje tugabane kye tulinawo. Musooke mujje wano tulina abayimbi abali kodinze rero. Bano baana baavudde Gayaza bamu ku bayimbi abasabye nabo tubakwate ku mukono era bajja tuwamu akapeera awo. Thank you. Tekemu ku bwangu. These are our neighbors. We share with our neighbors. We share with everyone. Yeah. And we invite everyone going through hardship, please come in person. Totya olw'okubantu bajja kulaba jangu wano tuli buziga wano ku Konge Road. This is bano bayimbi baffe abato abasookedde ddala okulikodingira wano era ne kasukaali bakeetaaga kubanga embeera amafuta gali waggulu era producer sooka ojje oyagire ku bantu. Okay, now we are going to count 1, 2, 3. King Roberto Entertainment Studio open. It's now open for recording. Right now, maybe you enter, just enter. This is King Roberto Entertainment Studio. You're most welcome. Speak address. King Roberto, you can extend this.
Good afternoon again, Jebaliko Sebo, media of Uganda. Today is a great day. The studio is open today, King Roberto Entertainment, calling all the new talent of Uganda, East Africa and Africa to come. It's an opportunity for them. Those have difficult to record their song and they have beautiful message of unity, peaceful music, not music where it's going to bring stress, but music for happiness. Come to King Roberto Entertainment and we shall give you opportunity to prove your talent.
Okay, artists should expect are you going to give them offer because you're like calling them to come and record for free?
The time you come with your song,
okay,
see your message is for peace, see your message is for unity. King Roberto Entertainment shall give you opportunity to record your music for free. After that, we can facilitate to promote you to through contract. Yeah, that's what the King Roberto Entertainment is going to give the offer for the new talent of Uganda and East Africa, where they have message of peace and unity.
How long have you spent in Uganda?
I'm in Uganda for a long time.
Okay.
I am Uganda because Africa is one.
What have you realized that Ugandans are missing in the industry? What Ugandan are they missing?
Concerning music industry in Uganda, is a lot of things missing.
Like?
Many artists perform, but they don't get to what they're doing. Artists in Uganda are supposed to benefit to the message they bring in upside, because musicians are the ambassador of culture in different nations, in different countries.
All right, basically, what's your target in the industry, that is music industry?
Concerning the music industry, my target is to promote the youth of Uganda, to make them to be in different level in society. Because it's many musicians, they have problem to put food in their, they have problem to put food in their car because they don't get exactly what they're supposed to get in the business they're doing. And that's the reason why I'm bringing opportunity for Uganda musicians not to be listening only in Uganda, but to be listening to all African countries, West Africa, North Africa, and different parts of the world.
All right. Away from music, that is audio production, videography, promotions, what should these artists expect from you?
The way the artist is going to expect from me, like I say, see your message is good, we give you opportunity to record. And we give you the opportunity to shoot your video and to promote you. That from there you can start getting income from what you are doing.
You're a bit exposed. Should artists expect you to publish them outside Uganda?
To be very honest, like I said before, my target is not for Uganda artists to be listening only in Uganda. My target is for them to be listening around all African countries and more than African countries. And to start to perform in different countries like West Africa, the same way Americans will perform all the time in West Africa. Americans will perform in Cameroon all the time. Though my target is for all Ugandan musicians where they have message of peace and unity to be listening around Africa country, around the world.
So your main emphasis has been about the upcoming artists. Should we say the established ones should not come to your studios?
I'm not. They can come. Though the one where they are already musician, where they want maybe to change where they record the music to come to King Roberto Entertainment, they're going to be welcome too. Because my dream is for the unity of Africa. My dream is for all Africa to have one currency, one passport, and one language to keep the secret of Africa. Because we are brothers and sisters. It's not divided by the master colonial, where we have artificial borders. And the youth of Africa have to support the idea of those are fighting for unity.
Okay.
So are you going to send for some artists in Uganda?
East Africa, God bless all the son and daughter of the land of Uganda and all the judges of this nation. I'm inviting all the musicians, new coming, who those are already in music, may having some type of difficult situation to come to King Roberto Entertainment. There they can find solution. Then the door which is closed shall be open to them. Anyone, don't be, because fear is the key of devil. Don't be happy to be African the way you are. Don't forget to honor your parents, because the key of your blessings is in the hand of your father and the hand of your mother. They're the only God you see. And that is the only thing I can say to every one of you in this place today. My neighbor, you are going to be invited to receive the little I can give to you today. Maybe more is coming soon.
Nze okoye onoonyeza emirimu giganye emirimu gikubuze. Yes, njagala okujjukiza oba Barista Coffee School and Cafe. Yes, bayigiriza n'okusomesa okukola ebika bya kawa ebyenjawulo omuli cappuccino, mocha, ice coffee, smoothies, milkshakes, cocktail n'ebika ebirala bingi. Bagaba certificate n'okufunira emirimu wabweru w'eggwanga mu nsi ez'enjawulo omuli Qatar, Dubai, Abu Dhabi n'ensi ez'etoolodde Europe endala. So basange e Nalukolongo opposite ne Hash petrol station oba obakubiri ku namba z'essimu 5 771 oba ku WhatsApp noti 777 855 ye namba ya WhatsApp okumanya ebisingawo.
SMKs tukwasaganya by'amasimu byokka tuddaabiriza amasimu agakyankalanye tugaflashinga ne tugassako software ena gwe weetaaze weetaaga screen mpya tukolera screen lamination ntutunda modo zonna eza screen Tekino, Samsung, Infinix, iPhone n'endala nnyingi tulina ne accessories z'amasimu nga back covers, sim slots, glass za camera, charging system, zichaja, battery n'ebirala tukola delivery ntubikutuusako wooli gwali okumpi n'ewala tusangibwa ku Anifa Towers opposite ne Temuseo Room B222 ku ground floor Loom Street tukubire ku 0700 nkaga 91 oba 0788 nkaga 12 SMKs bekwate ku nsonga z'amasimu ne accessories yenna.